guys, my name is Farabi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for like last video. Now let's see how to create cinematic title inside Adobe Premiere Pro. First open Adobe Premiere and writing some text. I writing cinematic title. Now I am going to center the text and make line center. Select title text. Now add another title what you want. Something like that, animation in Premiere Pro. Same like first title, second text also make middle. Change the font what you like. Next we are using rectangular tools. I am going to draw a small line between two titles. Let's go to enable select tools again. Open FX control panel. You can see enter point 0 by 0. Make center enter point. Open scale properties. Now we make enable horizontal scale. Make keyframe 100 and another 0 beginning, something like that. Now go to second title, select pen tool and draw mask. After that make position keyframe. Now another keyframe, something like that. Should be right out of mask. Again go to top text layer, open cinematic title, select pen tool and draw mask. Then go back to the FX panel and enable keyframe. That's I create cinematic title in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go to second title. If you know the first one, you can do is very easy. I am writing my name and make center. Change font text. Another title, subscribe for more. Now I can make position center. Change font text. Next we can use some effect. Go to effect control and search Gaussian blur. Apply this effect text layer. Inside effect control panel, create animation keyframe. Okay, we need two more keyframe. 130 blurriness, started and beginning. This keyframe made this blurred and ink blurred out of effects. Again go to opacity effects control panel, make opacity 0 to 100%. In the final part of this video, I am showing how to save this file. On the timeline, you need to right click, text layer, select export motion graphics template. You can save local drive and select folder. Click pass icon and open. Finally, you can find that folder inside browser, so you can use it again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. I like you always. Stay creative.